everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a package I received today. Let me just get this package open. This is going to be tricky. I might need a scissor for this. And hopefully this time the items are correct, because I got a package yesterday that was supposed to be the Power Ranger stuff and I was sent other stuff instead. So I'm going to have to return that package to the seller, and hopefully we'll be able to work that out. This stuff looks good though. Yeah, it looks like it's good. And this is the cliffhanger in green. All right, let me get the loose stuff out now. Okay, this is the, well, what is this? Gazella GT. This is the, there we go. This is the Dune Daddy, or Dune Buggy, as I like to call it. This is the Amphiflyer in orange. This is the Amphiflyer again in green. See what else is in here. Hopefully everything I order is in here. Okay, what is this? This is the power pipes. This is the, I think this is, what is this? This is the Hellcat. This is the stock car. Pretty cool. This is one of the McDonald's ones. Actually, this is unopened. That's interesting. And the package show was open. Huh. It's new in the box. It's pretty cool. This is NASCAR. And what is this? This is the Buddy L. Now, this is interesting. I don't know what Buddy L is. If somebody could tell me what Buddy L is, let me know. Not really sure. Okay, what is this? It's another McDonald's car. This time it's M. We got the rest of this stuff here. Yeah, whatever else is in here. There's 4 left. So this is the Coyote 500. I can see it right here. Cool. What is this? This is the boat truck. This is the Minecraft part. This is pretty cool. And this is, I think, the last one. This is gold. I believe this is the last car that we got out of everything. This is the gold NASCAR. Oh, wow. That was interesting. Okay, and that's going to be it for today, guys.